The Jamaica Civil Servants Association, JCSA, is putting its members on guard for a showdown with the government if it's failed to settle outstanding salary and other issues. The JCSA president gave the alert while addressing an awards ceremony for JCSA members in Manchester on Thursday. Krista Campbell has the details.
Patiently waiting from 2024. That declaration from President of the Jamaica Civil Servants Association, JCSA, Tisha Clark-Griffiths, regarding salary and other benefits negotiations with the government. But almost a year and a half later, at an awards ceremony to honor long-serving civil servants in Manchester on Thursday, this announcement from the JCSA president.
We have been 14 months outstanding in terms of having the government settle on our claim. So I'm asking that we get ourselves ready for a showdown between the Civil Service Association and the government of Jamaica. The fight continues and we will definitely triumph.
For her part, Mrs. Clark-Griffiths stressed the importance of recognizing and honoring public servants for the critical work they do for the country.
The service to our schools, hospitals, libraries, ministries, agencies, departments, and communities, helping to improve the lives and support of national development. Every birth certificate, every marriage certificate, death certificate, driver's license.
And according to her, the militant stance from public sector workers should not come as a surprise to the government.
We have not had an opportunity to conclude our negotiation as a union. In addition, we have had the Jamaica Confederation of Trade Unions who have made an offer, a counter offer to the government of Jamaica. We're 14 months out of the negotiating period, which means that the public servants of Jamaica is owed 14 months retroactive payment in salaries. We are demanding that they conclude the negotiations so that the members can receive their increase in salaries.
She noted that any discourse on productivity should take into account improvements to the welfare and well-being of public servants whose work help drive productivity in Jamaica. And so,
the JCSA, along with the Confederation, would have indicated to the government that we are not going to wait any longer to have our matters addressed, and not only on the salaries, but other items of claim that is before the government of Jamaica, including our concession. So there's a lot of things that we want to conclude on, but the government is moving very slowly. And ironically, they are the one who speaks about productivity, but we are not seeing that on the other side of the government service.
16 civil servants were awarded for 16 to 25 years of public service, and a special citation awarded to the JCSA president at Thursday's awards ceremony. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.